Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, with the 17th edition of the IAAF World Championships in Doha just 8 months away, 8-time Olympic gold medalist Usain Bolt is expressing concern about Jamaica's athletics future. The 100 and 200 meter world record holder, who retired from the sport in the summer of 2017, pointed to the lack of hunger being displayed by the next generation of athletes who are expected to replace the tried and tested veterans.
And she did not. Stepping, lifting, driving, and she knew she was going to win. She wanted the time. She looked to the left. She even leaned.
I have a lot of concerns also, you know what I mean? I think a lot of these athletes, I think it's much easier now for them. When we were coming up, it was a struggle. We didn't get big contracts when we left high school. And I think a lot of the athletes aren't motivated anymore. When they leave high school and they get a big contract, then they're happy with whatever. So for me, hopefully these athletes can motivate themselves, because we're not lacking of talent. We have a lot of that, and I've seen it a lot throughout the years. But when they get to the senior level, now they're not motivated enough, and they don't work hard enough to get to the level of Usain Bolt, John Blake, Shelley and Fraser, all these guys. So it's all about the work, and they need to motivate themselves.
In the meantime, Bolt, who says he has now closed the door on his efforts to pursue football, says his focus is now purely on his business endeavors.
I mean, I'm just doing many different things, you understand? Sports life is over, so I'm now moving into different businesses. I have a lot of things in the pipeline. I'm just not one of the persons to brag, you know what I mean? So I have a lot of things. I won't talk about it because it will come out. I don't want to jinx anything. So a lot of things in the pipeline, but as I said, I'm just doubling man in everything, and I'm trying to be a businessman now.